Hi guys, today we want to check packet tracer assignment 2323. This is troubleshooting routes. You can see addressing table here and topology is here and objective are locate the problem, determine the solution, implement the solution, verify that the issue is resolved. In first one, after you should also read background here, it's okay. Part one, locate the problem. Find out where is the problem, how is going, and what happened here. PC1 cannot access files on the server. Locate the problem using the appropriate show commands on all routers and any troubleshooting commands on PC that you have learned from previous chapters. What are some of troubleshooting commands on routers and PCs that can be used to identify the source of the problem? First, for example, PC1 cannot ping server. We can I can show you. This is IP address here, and you can see, for example, ping, the first IP address that we can use, and we'll be sure, for example, it works. Yes. Another thing is trace route. It's the same because it will be blocked here and cannot forward. Yes, another thing is also, for example, in router 1, you can see enable show IP route. This is another command can help us. Show IP routes in router 1, router 2, and router 3. And for example, in router 1, yes, you can see here, and also in router 2, we should write here enable and show IP route and check routing table here, and after that coming back, and also in router 3 show IP route here because this is also IP version 4. Okay. Determine the solution. After you have located the problem that is preventing PC1 from accessing files on the server, fill in the table below. Yes, we have checked it because PC1 cannot send anything here but IP address. Okay, we should go to PC1 and check a static route here. Yes, this is PC1. We have challenged to make it a little small, but I don't know why it doesn't work here. Yes. Okay. Router 1, static route is here for router 1. For access to this network address, what is the network address here? One hundred 31.0.0. Here, this is 0.0. This is okay. is okay. And via this serial 00, we need also to turn on and show here is correct. This is via serial 00 is correct. And other things here, and to access to this IP address and this network address also, 172.31.196. Yes, this is not static address, it's only IP address. Okay. And another thing, in router 2, yes. And for router 2, you can see two static routes here. Yes. For access to this IP address, 3110, this IP address over there, we should use this IP address, 172.31.198. It's not true. The first problem, it should use this interface. This interface, it will be S000 in R1 IP address. This is here. This IP address should be used. But another thing also, to access to another network address here. Yes, here you can see over there here in R3, use 172.31.194, but it's not true also. You can see it should be used by this network address, this IP address, uh, serial 000. Okay. Yes. Serial 00. Okay. And it's also is not true. And in R3, a static route for access to 31.192, yes, is correct, because this is serial 001 is correct, but there is nothing for, excuse me, this is here, 172.31.00 sh24 here via this serial number is correct, but we don't have any routes for this network here. You can see there is nothing here. Also, we should write. Okay, we find a problem and we should go and continue. Implement the solution. If there are any misconfigured static rows, you must remove them before the correct ones can be added to the configuration. Add any missing static row by configuring directly attached rows. Okay, in router 2, we should write show run, and you can see both of them is not true, you should go to configure terminal and write no and copy this one here, and also copy excuse me, yeah, this is, it will be, yes, and again do show run and check you don't have any static route here. Now it's ready to write correct. For access to 3110 network, you should use IP route and write 172.0.1.0.255, and it will be 128 because it's a slash 25, and after that, with this net interface here, 172.0.1.1, and what is the interface for R1, S00 for R1 here? Yes, this is 194. And another thing, to access to other network, this is here, this network address, this is here, and it's a slash 26, and 26 is subnet mask is 192, and IP address should be this IP address, this interface, 0001 in R3. Yes, 198. And you should also save it to WR or come back to here, and maybe, yeah, both options is true. Copy RSD, yeah, copy running config startup. And what about R3? R3, we don't have any static routes, any static route for this option here. You should write real time. You should write here R3 conf t IP route for access to this network. Yes. 172, 31, 1, 0, 255, 255, 255, and 128, because this is a slash 25, and which interface we should use. This interface we can use S001. It's true. Also, you can use, and you can write here, IP route this network in R3 and this IP address for R2. This IP address for R2 also correct. S000 S001 IP address is true, or name of this interface. Both of them is true. IP routes, yes, it's okay. And do WR. And now another option is here. Should ignore this message. Verify that the issue is resolved. Ping from PC1 to server. Okay, now we should ping. Yes, it's true. And also we can use trace routes, and you can see which hop will be used by PC1 to access to server. First here, territory 3111. This is this IP address, and after that 193 is here, and after that 198 is here, and after that target is 190. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe me and support me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.